JustPing is an easy-to-use app to let you know your family's whereabouts in real time. You can see your family's location on the map, get notified when your family enters or leaves a place, and view location history for up to 7 days. JustPing allows you to set up frequently visited places and features location alert with voice announcement. Are you concerned about your family's safety when they leave home? Would you like to know when your child has arrived at school safely? Download JustPing today for your peace of mind. Welcome to JustPing app, an easy-to-use app to track your family. With just one ping, you will know your family's current locations. You can add up to 200 geozones such as home, school, or work. You will be notified when your family enters or leaves a geozone.
2 p.m. George left school. 2:30 p.m. George arrived at after school.
You can view past locations for up to 7 days. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your JustPing app today.